Hi everyone, it's Dr. Gambhir. Hope you're having an awesome day. Wanted to talk to you a little bit about dermal fillers and the concern if they can cause loose skin. As long as dermal fillers, which are volume builders done in the cheeks, folds, jawline, lips, are done in moderation, they will not create loose skin. If you put an immense amount of filler in any area, you can potentially overstretch and damage the skin. We see that sometimes when adolescents are growing rapidly and they get stretch marks, or when women are pregnant and the abdominal skin grows rapidly. But if dermal fillers, especially in lip fillers, we're just doing 1 to 2 syringes of filler, patients should have no issue with laxity of skin afterwards. So life in moderation, everything should be perfect with these fillers. And in fact, they're going to build a little bit of collagen over time and increase or decrease the laxity in the long run. Thanks for listening.